Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use PrizePicks in a banned state. Alright, let's begin. PrizePicks is a popular daily fantasy sports platform, but it is restricted in certain locations. If you try to access it in a banned state, you will see an error message preventing access. To bypass this restriction, you need a VPN, which allows you to change your virtual location. There are 3 recommended VPNs: NordVPN, Surfshark, and PureVPN. First, NordVPN is known for its speed and security. It has a large server network, making it easy to find a reliable connection in a legal state. It also features strong encryption to keep your data private. Its user-friendly interface allows you to connect with just one click, and it is available on all major devices. Next, Surfshark offers affordable pricing and allows unlimited device connections under one subscription. It includes a clean web feature, which blocks ads and trackers, and has optimized servers for fast speeds. Lastly, PureVPN has an extensive server network and is beginner-friendly. It allows you to select a server based on your needs, such as streaming or browsing, and includes an always-on audit system for security. After selecting and installing a VPN, launch the app, log in, and connect to a server in a legal state. Then, open PrizePicks, log into your account, and keep the VPN connected while using the platform. So that's basically how you can use PrizePicks in a banned state. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.